Welcome back. You've joined some riders from the Hulk Auckland chapter. We're in Wellington. This was filmed in November 2023. We are lining up to board one of the Bluebridge ferries, leaving from Wellington, heading to the South Island. This was just prior to our attending the Hulk 40th and Harley Davidson 120th rally down in Cromwell. And we've been on the wharf for about 40 minutes in the rain, waiting to board. We've just been motioned up towards the ferry access point, where we get to witness this yellow vehicle there, which is a kind of a truck trailer shunting unit, trying and failing to get up a steel ramp on the ferry which we're waiting to board. Now, he'd already been going at this thing for about 5 minutes, proceeding up the steel ramp, which was pretty slippery with the rain. It is coming down quite hard, and he was failing to get up there a number of times. The wheels were spinning. There was actually smoke coming off it. My camera's positioned not quite on the right angle to capture that. They eventually abandoned the attempt and waved him away. He exited the ferry. They decided they could make the crossing without this particular truck trailer shunting vehicle. We thought, okay, well, that's that. Let's hope that we're going to be getting onto the horizontal boarding platform underneath the welcome aboard sign we could see there. But I had a feeling somehow that that was not where we were heading. And those thoughts were well and truly proven correct when we were waved on to head up the very same steel ramp that the truck shunting vehicle had tried a number of times and failed a number of times to get up. So it's a rainstorm. The ramp is pretty much made of steel. It's slippery as, and we're being waved up with our fully laden motorbikes to head up there. There is a high vis vest guy at the bottom of the stairs, and he's this ramp helpfully pointing out that, hey, you know, it's a bit slippery, be careful. Don't worry, mate, we're not stopping going up here. Got about 500 plus kilos on the bike with ourselves, our luggage and everything else included. So yeah, we're not stopping here, making it up there and praying that nobody has to stop, because it would have been a little bit tricky to get a start going on that ramp. Haven't been on the Bluebridge Ferry before, so that was an experience. Probably one of the more nervous times of our entire 10-day riding trip, to be honest. And so a short one this week. On that happy note of getting to the top of the ramp, we'll wrap it up. And I wish everybody safe riding out there. Take care, ride safe, and see you on the next one.